Before hardware stores, before glue, before duct tape, people made their own solutions. One of the most useful was pine tar. Pine tar is a thick, sticky resin made by heating pine without letting it burn. You're not setting it on fire. You're cooking it slowly and letting the resin melt out. Any real pine works. If it has needles, sticky sap, and pine cones, you're good. Just don't use treated or construction wood. Only natural pine. To make it, you need 3 things: pine, heat, and patience. Pack pine chunks into a metal container. Heat it from the outside. Keep air out so it doesn't burn. Over time, the resin melts and collects as thick black tar. Don't rush this. And don't seal the container airtight. Pressure is dangerous. Slow is good. What you get is pine tar. What's left behind is charcoal. Both are useful. Don't waste either. Pine tar does a lot. It seals cracks. Waterproofs wood and leather. Protects tool handles. And helps fire burn longer. It's not pretty. It just works. Mix pine tar with crushed charcoal, and you get pine pitch. That's one of the strongest natural glues people ever used. It held axe heads in place, repaired broken tools, and kept weapons together long before modern adhesives existed. This is where nature's duct tape really earns its name. People also used pine tar for light. Coated onto cloth or plant fibers, it makes slow-burning torches that last far longer than raw wood. Sticky fuel, steady flame. It naturally resists bacteria and fungus. People use small amounts to seal minor wounds, to keep dirt and moisture out, and give the body a chance to heal. There was no cure for infection. This was what people had. This doesn't replace modern care. But when nothing else exists, time matters. Just remember what not to do. Don't eat pine tar. Don't use it on deep wounds. Don't store it near open flame. And never use treated wood. People survived with less than this. Gear fails. Knowledge doesn't. Learn the old ways. See you soon, packmates.